Hey, my name's Eddie with Uniform Bright. Today we are talking about Vestis price increases. Can they be stopped? Sure, the Vestis price increases can be stopped, but you need to follow the outline which is in your contract. You need to understand your contract. Here's the problem with that. Most people don't even have a copy of their contract because they think that they never did sign a contract. If I had a nickel for every time somebody said that they never signed a contract, I'd probably be a rich man today. Maybe it's a quarter nowadays. That's what my dad used to say. But anyways, look, guys, they have a right to increase the prices per the contract. But you guys also have rights, and you need to look at those rights and constantly vigilant. I know what you're going to say. Most people say this all the time: is I just don't have time. I got a lot of stuff to do, and I get it. If you're looking for a way to counteract that, if you're looking for somebody who can be vigilant, call me, and we can put into effect a program that I have where we can consistently make sure that they can never increase the prices again, or that they can only increase them a maximum of 5% a year, or something along those, depending on which uniform company you have. But Vestis, they're increasing prices more than anybody that I've ever seen. And the reason why is because they're constantly being short on revenue. I think, in my opinion, I think a lot of people are canceling. A lot of people, I've canceled a number of their contracts. We've breached a contract, and they're having a hard time replacing that revenue. And so that's why other customers are having to bear the brunt of those price increases, unfortunately. But if you're looking for help, hey, send me a copy of your invoice, a copy of your contract. If you're in Canada, we're now in Canada. I can help you anywhere in the United States. Even with the right customer, I can go to your location. If you're in arbitration, I can help you to defend yourself in arbitration. But don't forget to like and subscribe, and send it to your friends. And I can help you guys out. Give me a call. The first call is always free. Thanks. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye-bye.